It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, May 18th. I'm James Spann. Look out for scattered to numerous showers and storms later today, but after today, things look pretty quiet for the rest of this week. Let's check things out early this morning. As expected, the upper trough that brought severe weather to the Great Plains over the weekend is lifting up toward the Great Lakes, way north of Alabama, a ridge across Florida and the southeastern states, and a new trough over California. Down below that for us, we've got upper 60s and low 70s this morning. Birmingham at 71 to start the day. We'll expect mid to upper 80s today, about where we should be for late May. We do note there are flash flood watches in effect west of Alabama for places like Memphis, Tupelo, Greenville, Mississippi, Monroe, Louisiana, and Shreveport. No flooding expected here, however. Down to the south, the dense fog advisory for some counties in South Alabama, and up north, yeah, that's a freeze warning for much of the Dakotas and parts of Minnesota. A May cold snap. That was the radar this morning at 5:10. Had a few showers and storms over the northwestern corner of the state. The activity is more widespread over Mississippi. And we'll see a clear increase in showers and storms later today, especially this afternoon and this evening. But no severe weather. Like we've talked about, we just don't see any organized severe weather opportunity here anytime soon. And it might be the fall. A risk of severe weather over West Texas tomorrow, basically the same place. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, a marginal risk from the Rio Grande up to Memphis, but we are not involved in any of that. Big rains over West Texas. Goodness gracious, that's the place where the big drought has been in recent years, and that drought is really taking a hammer with this rain they've seen out there, and they'll see a lot more in the next 5 days. For us, rain amounts about 1/2 inch, and this is valid through Saturday morning. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid today at 1. Ridging on the East Coast, trough lifting up through the Great Lakes, and a new trough digging down into California in the Southwest U.S. For us, we stay in a moist air mass. Dew points pretty far up in the 60s. We'll expect scattered to numerous showers and storms, mainly this afternoon and this evening. This is the high-res HRRR at noon today. Looking fairly wet, and that's the same model at 6 o'clock. Then tomorrow, a surface boundary comes in here, but there's no upper support. The air is relatively stable with warm air aloft, and really, I don't expect much more than widely scattered showers. I think a decent part of the day tomorrow will be dry. This is the high-res NAM, the 4-kilometer NAM at 7 o'clock, not showing much at all. So we'll say a mixture of clouds and sunshine with widely scattered showers tomorrow. And again, the high should be in the mid-80s. Wednesday, we get into dry air. Wednesday should feature a good supply of sunshine with mid-80s. And really, Thursday looks pretty dry. You might mention a slight chance of a shower, but this is suggesting not really necessary. Partly sunny with mid-80s. Same thing on Friday. So really, after tomorrow, the chance of rain is so small, I just don't think it's worth mentioning in the forecast. This is Saturday as the weekend begins. It's the same thing. The weather looks just warm and dry with probably mid to upper 80s. We note that new surface low east of Denver, maybe more severe weather for the Great Plains on Saturday. And this is Sunday. The surface low moves northeast, and we start to see an increase in moisture, and will bring back the chance of scattered showers and storms on Sunday. Doesn't mean it's going to rain a lot, but it certainly could rain at times, much like the weather we had yesterday. And again, high should be in the middle 80s. And here's a week from today. This is Memorial Day, Monday the 25th. Same deal, we got ridging over the southeast, upper trough passing way north of us. And again, this is suggesting a chance of scattered showers and storms. So as you plan out the holiday weekend, Saturday should be dry, then just a few scattered showers and storms Sunday and Monday with a mix of sun and clouds both days. No washout type thing. This is the end of the forecast, May 27th, the middle of next week. That's a pretty good-looking trough over the eastern U.S., and if that's right, we're in very dry air, and the day would be dry. Temperatures coming off the ensembles. And let me just say, these numbers have been running too warm recently. It's got us up there around 90 at the end of the month and the 1st of June, and that could be right, but this has been about, 3-4 degrees too warm. And this is the temperature anomalies coming off the CPC outlook, and you can see again with the ridging in the southeast, and this is May 25th through May 31st. Above average temperatures here and below average temperatures off to the west. Let's hope that doesn't hold up through the summer, because if that does, it could be pretty nasty around here by August. But there's plenty of time for that to change. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.